Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft Java video. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 best Fabric FPS performance mods for Minecraft Java Edition version 1.18.2. As you guys can see in the top left corner of my screen there, I have gone ahead and updated my Minecraft Java game to the latest current release, which is version 1.18.2, and these FPS performance mods are basically going to help us get better FPS in our Minecraft game, less lag, and more performance inside our game. So for those of you who are on low-end PCs or low-end laptops and low-end systems, then hopefully these mods should help you guys out and give you some better FPS performance boosts inside your Minecraft game. I am currently in a vanilla game at the moment, so as you guys can see I don't actually have any mods enabled. I have also enabled the MSI Afterburner counter on the top left there to have a look at my FPS inside my game. And as you guys can see, I'm hovering somewhere between 35 to 40 FPS currently, and the maximum I am able to see at the moment is close to 40 FPS. So I would say on average I am getting 35 FPS right now. So for those of you who are on low-end machines, then this is something that you would be experiencing, and we're going to try and get some mods installed to try and boost our FPS so that we can get better performance and less lag inside our Minecraft game. So let's go ahead and take a look at the top 10 best Fabric FPS performance mods on Minecraft Java Edition version 1.18.2. Alright, so I am right now in the CurseForge client. For those of you who are using the regular Minecraft launcher, that is perfectly fine. Just make sure that you guys do have Fabric installed and Fabric API, because you will need that, and then you can go ahead and download the mods as I'm going to show you guys today. I am going to leave a link in the description with links to all of the mods I'm going to show you guys, and then you can just click on those links and download them and use them in your Minecraft launchers. So let's go ahead and get the first mod. The first mod I would recommend you guys actually get is called Mod Menu, because we do need that mod to actually be able to configure some of the other mods which I'm going to download. So make sure that you are downloading the Mod Menu mod. So I'm going to actually click on install and get that downloaded. The next mod I'm actually going to download is called Sodium. Now some of you might already have heard of this and might even be already using this mod. This is actually one of the major performance-based mods on Fabric on version 1.18.2, and as you guys can see, this has been updated. And as you guys can see from the description here, it says a Minecraft mod designed to improve frame rate and reduce micro stutter. So let's go ahead and install the Sodium mod for Minecraft Java Edition. This is made by a group called Caffeine MC, who make other performance-based mods as well, which I will go into later on. If you guys are getting Sodium, then definitely also get the Sodium Extra mod. As you guys can see, it says features that shouldn't be in Sodium, and this is going to basically give us more additional options for our video settings. Another mod I would recommend you also get is called Reese's Sodium Options, and this basically organizes the Sodium video settings in a much more neater way. So I'm going to go ahead and install this as well, so I would also recommend you guys do that. So now that we have got Sodium Extra and Reese's Sodium Options installed, let's move on to the next mod. Now this mod is also made by the Caffeine MC group, and this mod is called Lithium. So let's go ahead and type Lithium in the search box there. As you guys can see, it says an optimization mod for Minecraft which improves server performance. If we go to the mod's description, you can see that it says over here, even in single player, your game runs an integrated server which ticks the world your player is in. So this actually does also help you out in your single player game, and it's made by the same people who made Sodium. So do go ahead and download the Lithium mod. The next mod I'm going to download is called Starlight. So let's go ahead and search for Starlight in our search bar, and as you guys can see, this says rewrites the light engine to fix lighting performance and lighting errors. So let's go ahead and install this. The next Fabric FPS performance mod I am going to get is called Cull Leaves. So just search for Cull, which is spelled C-U-L-L, and as you guys can see, this says Cull Leaves, and it says adds culling to leaf blocks, providing a huge performance boost over vanilla. So let's go ahead and install this, and this is quite similar to the options that we are seeing in Optifine. So as you guys can see, this says this is a recreation of the Optifine feature Smart Leaves. So do go ahead and check out the Cull Leaves mod on Fabric for version 1.18.2. Alright, so the next mod I would recommend that you guys check out is called Lazydfu. Just go ahead and start typing in lazy in the search bar there, and it should come up with Lazydfu. As you guys guys can see from the description over here, it says it's making the game start more quickly. So if you want your game to start quicker, then definitely do check out the Lazydfu mod. I would recommend that you guys go into the description and read up about it and how it works. It is quite a cool mod, so I would recommend this for Fabric on version 1.18.2. The next FPS performance mod I would recommend you guys get for Fabric is called the Better Biome Blend mod. So in your search bar, just type in Better Biome and hopefully that should come up with a search result for Better Biome Blend. And as you guys can see, it says improves and fixes biome color blending. If we go into the description over here for Better Biome Blend, we can see that one of the points over here says that the new algorithm is however also very fast, which will speed up chunk loading and reduce some stuttering. So hopefully this mod should help us with our performance in our Minecraft game on version 1.18.2. The next Fabric performance mod I would check out is called Alternate Current. So in your search bar, just start typing in alternate and then current. As you guys can see, it says an efficient and non-locational redstone dust implementation. If I click into this, you can notice it says its main focus lies in reducing the lag caused by redstone dust by optimizing the power calculations and reducing the number of shape and block updates emitted. It does also say that this is compatible with Lithium, and it also says that it actually works well with Lithium. And as you guys remember, we did actually go ahead and install Lithium earlier, so this mod should also complement the Lithium mod as well. The next Fabric performance mod I would also get is called Dark Loading Screen. Now, Dark Loading Screen actually is what the name does suggest. It actually makes the loading screen darker, and you can actually go ahead and configure the colors. But the reason we are getting this mod is because it does actually have a fade in and fade out option, and by reducing the fade options for the loading screens, we can actually make Minecraft load even quicker. So when Minecraft does load up, it actually has a fade out and fade in animation, and by making those set to 0, we can make sure that Minecraft boots even quicker. So do go ahead and get the dark loading screen, and I will configure this later on. You also do need another dependency mod for this. So if we scroll down, it does say we do need the cloth config mod as well. So let's go ahead and get the cloth config mod as well alongside this. All right, let's go ahead and download the cloth config mod for Fabric on version 1.18.2. Another mod that does also help us speed up Minecraft is called K6s. So in your search bar, type in KSYXIS. And as you guys can see, this says speed up the loading of your world. And I have gone ahead and tested this mod, and it definitely does help us when we load a new world. So if you guys are creating a brand new world in Minecraft, you would have noticed that when it goes from 0 to 100%, it's actually quite slow. But with this mod, it actually helps us speed up the loading of our worlds. So do go ahead and install the K6s mod for Fabric on version 1.18.2. The final mod I would recommend that you guys get is called Clumps. So in your search bar, just type in Clumps, and as you guys can see, it says clumps XP orbs together to reduce lag. So if you guys are finding yourself surrounded by a lot of XP orbs and you are picking them up and you notice that your FPS dips or you do notice some lag, then this mod will basically clump those XP mods together to actually have less of an impact on your performance. So hopefully this should also reduce your lag. So let's go ahead and install this as well. Alright, so now that we do have all of the 10 Fabric FPS performance mods installed, I can go ahead and click on play and launch the game. So let's go ahead and actually go inside the game and see how much of an impact these mods will have on our FPS performance and how much of a boost they can give us inside our Minecraft game. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are now inside a modded Minecraft game, and at the bottom here it does say Minecraft 1.18.2 Fabric, and we do have a mods button here which I can click into, and as you guys can see, these are the mods which we installed. These are the top 10 best Fabric performance mods for 1.18.2. The first thing we're going to do is actually configure the dark loading screen, and as I mentioned earlier, we can actually go ahead and configure this and change the fade in and fade out duration. So do make sure that these are set to 0. This is basically going to help you out a lot. If I click on preview, you guys can see how quickly it actually does it. So do make sure that you have set both of these options to 0. We can now go back inside our game. So let's take a look at how quickly this actually loads the game, because I did install that K6s mod and it should actually load the game fairly quickly. Alright, so now we are inside our Minecraft game, and earlier, if you recall, I was getting close to 35 FPS inside my Minecraft Java game. And now, as you guys can see on the top left there, I am getting nearly double the amount there. I'm reaching 100 FPS compared to 35 FPS, which I was getting earlier. So this definitely has improved my FPS a lot, and if you guys are on a low-end machine, then I would recommend that you guys get these mods. They are going to definitely help you, give you better FPS, more performance, and hopefully less lag inside your Minecraft Java game. Another thing I would recommend you guys check out is my boosted FPS Modpack. You actually need a client like the CurseForge client or MultiMC or GD launcher. If you guys are using the CurseForge client, it's really simple. Just search for the channel name, which is Gamer Potion, and go ahead and look for where it says boosted FPS and click on install, and that should install the mod pack for you. As you guys can see, the boosted FPS mod pack has also been updated for version 1.18.2, and you can go ahead and read up about this. It also does have this cool loading screen, so you guys can have a different type of Minecraft experience where the loading screen actually looks really cool. So do definitely check out this mod. You will have loads of different performance-based mods installed, and I have actually pre-configured it. All you need to do is basically just install this mod pack, and everything should be pre-configured to give you the highest possible FPS inside your Minecraft game. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and hopefully you will find these top 10 best Fabric FPS performance mods useful for version 1.18.2. Do let me know if you have any problems in the comment section below. I will do my best to try and help you guys out. Also, do let me know if any of these mods have helped you get better FPS inside your Minecraft game. If you liked the video, please do give us a like, and also please do subscribe to this channel to help support it, help it grow, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.